Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Day Date 36 in white gold with a pink opal diamond dial and fluted bezel on a President bracelet, reference 128239. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of the day date, then tell you about where this watch stands in the lineup of other similar day dates, then tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with the history of the day date, which came about in 1953 or 52. It was approximately 7 years after the advent of the Datejust, which is the younger brother, and it has since gone on to be one of the most successful lines that Rolex has ever made. In fact, colloquially, they call this watch the President. Why? Because the bracelet itself is known as the President bracelet, and it's also been worn by many presidents. Eisenhower, Kennedy, and so on. Clinton, I think even, or actually I'm not sure, but a lot of other presidents have worn or have been gifted this day date, not this exact one, but a Rolex Day Date 36, also known as the President. And as such, it's an iconic watch. And what makes it so iconic? Well, we'll get into it when we talk about the details of the watch, but let's just start with this. It's the most complicated of the dress watches that Rolex makes. Why I say that? Because it has both the day and the date, Monday through Sunday at the 12 o'clock, and the date 1 through 31 at the 3 o'clock position. And that makes the watch more complicated because it has a date function, a day and a date function, as opposed to just a time only or time and date. So there you have it. There are more complicated watches now. They're called the Sky Dwellers, but with this President bracelet, it's the only one like this, and it's really just iconic. So many people can recognize or have seen a president at some point in their lives. Okay, that's a little bit about the history. Now let's move on to where this watch stands in the lineup of other similar day dates. Now, as you can imagine, the day date has many variations, tons of variations actually. Up until from its inception, early 1950s, all the way until like around 2005 or 7 or something like that, the day date or President was only in size 36. Yes, very strange. They made this beautiful President watch, but they made it very tiny in 36 millimeter, which did not fit most men, or it fit men and just looked really small and not very masculine. But Rolex soon figured out that they should probably offer a bigger model of day date, and they came up with a day date 2 at the time it was called, which was in 41 millimeter. It's the biggest day date. It came out from 2005 approximately, and it ran until approximately 2015, which was then replaced by the day date 40, and now, which is only 1 millimeter bigger, not a big deal. But basically, that was the start of having the day dates in 2 different sizes. This is a day date 36. So where does this watch stand in the lineup? Well, the day dates are only made in precious metal. This one happens to be made in white gold. And they made many different variations for many years, from 2015 until now, which is 2025, 10 years later. But they did not really make any cool dials. Now, why do I say that? Why would I say that? Well, because they made pretty lame dials, if you ask me. They made really simple dials in like Roman and silver, just these really boring dials that just did not sell very well, did not do very well. They were not really great watches. They also made a few diamond ones. I think they were blue diamond, ombre. They were not bad, but they were also not great. Now, at least as of I think in 23 or 24, they really came out with some great variations. One of which is this super cool pink opal dial that you're looking in front of you. So, where does it stand in the lineup? Well, it stands in one of the newest ones, one of the newest dials. So you getting this Pink Opal will be getting a very hip day date. All right. And people can tell that it's a recent one, not like if you got silver, it could be one from 10 years ago. So it's basically the new color. They also make a really nice turquoise one, which I like, and also a rainbow one. Okay, but let's focus on this one. So let's move on to the case itself and start talking about that. Now the case is 36 millimeters, as I stated before. It's made out of all white gold. White gold is a little bit darker in color than, for example, platinum, which is a brighter material. It's still both white color. And it looks similar to stainless steel. I won't lie about that. But the weight is much heavier with this white gold than it is for steel. Okay, that's the case, all made out of white gold. Let's talk about the bezel here. Now the bezel, you could choose the way that you want to configure the bezel. That's one good thing. But Rolex makes this one in either a fluted bezel, or they also make a diamond bezel. And I think they even make one in a baguette bezel too. But I really like the fluted. Why? Well, because the fluted bezel is an iconic bezel. It's easily recognizable. Everybody understands this is a Rolex, and it's a beautiful design. Whereas the diamonds is also beautiful, but it's just the diamonds around the bezel. It's nothing unique to Rolex. Many companies do diamonds around the bezel, but no other company does fluted bezel. At least they don't do it correctly, like the way Rolex does it. But anyways, okay, that's the bezel. It's also made out of white gold. Let's move on to the very unique part of this watch, which is the dial itself. This is a Pink Opal dial. Now, what does that mean? Well, these are stone dials, and the dials are cut from a block of raw material, and only the ones that have the correct color, structure, etc., that will satisfy the brand's exact aesthetic requirements are selected. And then Rolex, after they got the perfect dial, that also, by the way, means that each dial is unique. They don't all look the same because they are cut from a natural stone. And then after that, Rolex takes diamonds and places them in these Roman numerals. First sticks at the 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11 position, and then they put a 6 and 9 pave diamond, and they do so very well. I would even say the best diamond setting of any brand. They just do a fantastic job of it. And you can see that the diamonds are placed very, very nicely, all by hand, and they choose all the best stones. So really, they knock it out of the park with these special dials, and they charge a lot of money for them. I think the dials, when you compare them to the regular price of the, just like let's say you compare it to like a silver index or something like that, I think the dial itself is like $10,000 or something. If it's not 10,000, it's pretty close to that, and it makes sense. The dial itself is quite a bit of work. You have to cut it out of a single from stone, and then you have to place the diamonds all on it. So it's quite a bit of work. Okay, let's move on here. Now that we've spoken about the dial. Oh yeah, and I told you that before, it has a day and a date, Monday through Friday, and 1 through 31. A very beautiful way to do it. Okay, let's move on to the bracelet. The bracelet is a President bracelet. It's 3 semicircular links across. You only have one option with it anyway, so that's what it is. It's a iconic bracelet. Everybody recognizes it. It's super beautiful, and there you have it. That's the President bracelet. The movement here, okay, is a 3255 movement, and it is upgraded from the previous generation, which is 3155. Not sure that matters. You can't see it anyways, so it's a really good movement. Okay, time to try this watch on your wrist. Now, this watch being in pink, I'm going to have to say is for women, unless, yeah, I'm just going to say this. In my opinion, it's for women. It looks great, though, on women. And 36 is a large size for women, but if you have a beautiful watch like this, it's okay for the watch to be a bit large, to cover up the entire wrist. It's fine. And depending on the woman's size, it might not even be a big watch for her. But at any rate, I think the Day Date is a fantastic watch, and in this variation as well as the turquoise are my two favorite variations for the Day Date. And in white gold, I have to say I actually preferred it over yellow gold or rose gold. Why? Because the watch is already screaming loud, and putting it in yellow gold or rose gold just brings a lot of attention to it. People can recognize and understand that this is white gold as soon as they see this President band, and to pair it with this beautiful Pink Opal Diamond Dial, it brings this watch to another level. If I personally was buying this watch, I would either get the turquoise, which is super special, or this one, also very special. So anyways, those are my thoughts. Look, if you want to buy this watch at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.